So there I was trying to be nasty, see, sick and tired of all this gossip. Ain't nobody ever really like me, but that's alright. Keep on it, sending the word that I pays on me. TJ's babe, better move out here, killing the word that I pays on me. Yo, hey, sending the words in a passage to prove on the bet it's okay. You niggas are fake. My name is Bulawayo. I go by the stage name Thay. I come from Bulawayo. Well, actually it was through my mom. She happens to know DJ himself. So I was going through my statuses then was able with the free studio session. Then it's like the title is what they couldn't. Like the message is I'm trying to do something which nobody did. Something different from what other people been doing.
Music.
Thay. I've been trying to get a new designer. Last night I think I had a breakdown. God damn, I need to find an answer. Man down, I had to do him dirty. Every day we're fighting for survivor. I don't even know if I'm getting right. Man, I had to drop her from the 7th grade. Mama told me how to get her money, she. Damn, I'm a blacksmith, but every time I hear it, I cannot sleep. I'm on the road trying to get the big deep. Man down, I think I had to dig deep. Damn, I'm a blacksmith, but every time I hear it, I cannot sleep. I'm on the road trying to get the big deep. Man down, I think I need to dig deep. I've been trying to get a new designer. I had a nigga telling me I'm stupid. That's okay, cause I know what I'm getting at. I came with that way for the second time. 10 toes, stepping hard on the business. I chose to be a baller, not a school kid. I got the gang straight up from the trenches. Switching lanes, getting paid on my new hit. My nigga had to hit me with an SMS. Always with the gang, tryna win life. Baby mama always with the complaints. This shit is getting deeper every day pass. I don't even know if I'm getting right. I've been on this road since the day one. Every day they say I'm getting too loud. All I'm tryna do is triple platinum. Want a couple dollars in my payroll. Take a flight overseas for the whole week. Work it through, cut the cap, I'm a middleman. Hey, I'm a blacksmith. Hey, oh, I'm a blacksmith. Hey, oh, god damn, I really need an answer. Hey, I'm a blacksmith, but every time I hear it, I cannot sleep. I'm on the road trying to get the big deep. Man down, I think I need to dig deep. Hey, I'm a blacksmith, but every time I hear it, I cannot sleep. I'm on the road trying to get the big deep. Man down, I think I need to dig deep.